myself Kotesh Chaudhanla. I'm from GM Institute of Technology. Today I'm here to present about the phase 2 synopsis presentation. Our batch is 18. Problem statement is pneumonia detection using machine learning and neural network model, that is by using CNN. Our teammates are Darshan DV and Chetan Kumar SS. Project guide is Mistress Kaveshri PN. She is associated assistant professor, and project coordinator is Miss Supriya MK, and head of the department Dr. Shivam Goda sir. And without further wasting the time, we'll move to next. Here is our team, and introduction. The contents are introduction, problem statement, system design and architecture, testing and validation, and application and usability. As you like, pneumonia is a lung infection that can be life-threatening if not detected earlier. Like what happens in that traditional method means we have to take the X-rays. After that, we have to wait for the doctors to analyze that X-rays. But what we are come up with a new solution called uh, pneumonia detection using CNN model. What it do means it will analyze the X-rays which are based on the trained model, and it will tell that within a second that it is a pneumonia detected or non-pneumonia detect. Our goal is to build a CNN based model to classify the chest X-rays images which is normal or
One
pneumonia
second.
detected.
1 second. Sorry to interrupt, Kotresh. You can turn off your cameras.
Turn off. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Turn off others as well because it will take so much of network or data. So you can turn off. It
Okay,
was
ma'am.
just for screenshot itself. You can turn off others
Okay.
as well. Okay. Yeah. You can go
Okay.
ahead,
Okay.
Kotresh.
Like problem statement is pneumonia detection using convolutional neural network, and which is a deep learning model. Uh, System design and architecture. Data ingestion module, load the and split the data set into train, validation, and test. We are splitting whole data set into three types, which are namely train, validation, and test data set. We are after that second part, we are pre-processing the all these uh, all these data sets, which is comes under the normalization, augmentation, and resizing. Because every some images, some X-ray images are not too much accurate, the like image height and image length and width, it is not a standard size. We will convert that image into standard size by using the normalization and augmentation and resizing all these modules. And we are using the CNN module here. The input layer is 224 into 224 into 3 convolutional layer, and flattened dense softmax we are using here. As you can see in the this images, we are taking here as an zebra as an example, as an image. In our model we are using X-ray images. Here is the UML and the block diagram. This is all our concept. See, as an input we are using a chest X-ray images. After that it will pre-process and augmentation of all the data. uh, like, before we are giving the input to our model, we have to build our model. So it will explains how actually we are built our model. So pre-processing, after the pre-processing we split the data into two two types. Testing, for testing we are using 20 percentage our whole data. For training we are using 80 percentage our data. After that uh, we train the model. It will analyze the it will trained. um, After that, evaluation matrix, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Here is F1 score is, it is a machine learning evaluation matrix that measures the model's accuracy by combining its precision and recall. And as output, it will, after that, if I give any images means, it will detect it is a, is this is a normal normal or a pneumonia detected x-rays. Over to Chetan Kumar research. Chetan. Chetan.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, my topic is testing and validation. Here the purpose of testing and validation is to ensure the CNN module work accurately for detecting the pneumonia from the given X-ray images. Here, two phases are there: testing process and validation approach. In testing process, develop test case develop test case and execute test scenarios are there. In develop test case, we use both normal and pneumonia X-ray datasets. These images include blurry or noisy images to check the model efficiency. We use unseen test data is used to evaluate the accuracy of the model and model generalization. In execute test scenario, validate pre-processing steps which ensures the images are properly resized and normalized. Test prediction output for both classes like pneumonia and normal data sets. Measures the response time and system performance to evaluate the speed and efficiency. And validation approach where compare the predicted result with the true labels to check the accuracy of the model. And use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to measure the model performance. And it apply cross validation to ensure the model stability and reliability. Over to Kotesh.
Okay. Validation
Next,
approach compare the predicted.
next,
Next
Kotesh,
one.
next one.
Okay.
Next slide.
The, okay, accuracy is 70. Our model's accuracy is 76.3 percentage. Precision is 78.5 percentage. Recalling capacity of our model is 74, and F1 score is 76.3.
Next,
Okay, over to Darshan.
Kotesh, my
Darshan.
slide miss ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay. Error and debugging process. Okay.
In here, the purpose of error and debugging process is to improve the accuracy by analyzing the mistakes and rectify the mistakes and improve the efficiency. Identify the misclassification by review the fault prediction using example images, using with pneumonia and without pneumonia images to improve the efficiency. Analyze the cause for the misclassification like image blur and poor contrast, overlapping pattern of X-ray images. And correctness actions. Improve the data augmentation like rotating the images, zooming the images, and zoom the images to increase the data diversity. Add dropout layers in CNS to reduce the overfitting. Retrain the model using balanced data sets. Next, Darshan will explain.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Darshan Devi. Tools and technologies used. The main tools and technologies we use include Python as programming language, since it provides excellent language support for deep learning and image processing. The libraries we used is TensorFlow and Keras to build and train CNN model, NumPy which is used for data handling, and OpenCV for image pre-processing, which means image resizing, etc. And Matplotlib used to visualize the result. For deployment, we use Flask framework, which allowed us to create a simple web application where users can upload X-ray images and diagnostic results. The model was trained using NVIDIA GPU for faster pre-processing than a CPU, and the dataset which is taken from the Kaggle chest X-ray, which includes both labeled as normal or pneumonia images. Next, user friendliness and accessibility. The system is designed to be simple, which user can upload X-ray images, and the model automatically provides a diagnosis along with a confidence score. It works smoothly on both the desktop and a mobile. It requires very little technical knowledge to operate. Quotation next slide.
Okay.
Next slide.
This one.
Ah, Target audience for this project include healthcare professionals, radiologists, and especially rural clinics where access to radiologists may be limited. This AI tool can help in quick preliminary screening of pneumonia cases. Real world applicability. It helps with early detection of pneumonia, reducing diagnostic delays, and can easily integrate it into hospital management system or cloud platform healthcare outcomes. Overall, the outcome of this project is reliable, user-friendly, and scalable AI solution that bridges the gap between medical imaging and intelligent diagnosis, helping doctors to make faster and more accurate healthcare decisions. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. We will present recording to. Wait, ma'am. Wait.
Yeah, go ahead.
So here is our project demo. So is a front end like up we
Sorry
are.
to interrupt. 1 second, Kotresh.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone switch on your camera and take a screenshot of this and post it. Post it to the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, sorry. Video.
Turn on the camera.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Others as well. Yeah.
So, ma'am. Okay.
It's done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Then you can turn off the camera. Start the demonstration.
Okay, ma'am. I'll share it, ma'am, first. Yeah, ma'am. So first you can upload X-ray images, which is already trained by these, not these images, but it is a testing images. You can select any one. Like I am selecting a random one. So after that we have to describe the symptoms. Like I am describing as a cough. After that get diagnosis. It will analyze our X-ray images based on trained data. Or after that it will give the analysis result. So as a this X-rays it will showing that pneumonia probability is 20%. Liquid pneumonia is very low in the provided X-ray, and it will also give the recommendation at the end of the diagnosis. The pneumonia is probably low based on the X-ray. However, given presence of cough, it is advised to monitor your symptoms and consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and to rule out our other potential respiratory conditions. So even though our training our model accuracy is very low, so that it will saying that it will say that you have to consult the healthcare professionals. uh, that's it, ma'am.
Yeah, come back to the slides.
Okay, something else.
Very first slide.
First slide.
Yes. First slide. First slide.
Okay.
Yeah. See, this is not a synopsis presentation, first of all. Let me be very clear. This is a project phase 2. It is already implemented. What is the meaning of synopsis is overview of your presentation, which you had given in the sixth semester already. Okay,
Yes.
this is not the synopsis presentation. This is a complete project presentation.
Okay. Okay.
Implementation part, something which is not in synopsis, very much clear. Okay, and
Okay.
I have given a feedback like pneumonia detection using machine learning. It is not a machine learning, it is a deep learning where in which you're using convolutional neural network. Again, the topic has been deviated.
Sir,
It was
like,
already discussed, right?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Have you not observed it? The complete title is wrong here.
Okay, we'll edit, ma'am.
Is
Like,
it right? Yeah.
yeah, ma'am.
All
Yeah.
the three members. See, you have done your project. You have already you're about to complete your seventh semester. You're about to write the examination for this project, but still, you are not able to define your title properly. And it
Okay.
was told many times, right? So
Okay.
pneumonia detection using CNN was pretty, clear.
Okay.
It's clear. You're not using machine learning here, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
What you're using, neither
CNN.
deep learning is used, nor
CNN.
CNN keyword is being used here. So
Okay.
completely topic has been deviated. Clear? Machine
Okay.
learning antanu ide and neural network is there. Are you using machine learning and neural network model here?
No,
CNN
ma'am. No.
model.
No, no, not required now. No, no, do not change now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So this is one. And yeah, names, just go through the names, whether Supriya madam is Miss or Mrs. Okay. Yeah. That is a silly thing. You need to understand. Then go for the next slides. Go to the next slide, Kotresh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. See here. Has the content was already given?
Yes, ma'am. Like system design, architecture, testing and validation, and application and usability. They are already in the.
Supriya
It is
madam
there
has
in.
mentioned what to be there in the slides.
Yeah, ma'am. Like Rubik's cubes. In the Rubik's cubes, these three are already mentioned, ma'am. That's why we are using these things. These things. These three things.
Where it was given?
Rubik's cube. Like mark sheets there.
In rubrics, it was mentioned.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. See, whenever you're presenting the things, complete project, so the common thing should be there, but you need to stress down to these things. That is problem statement, system design, testing validation, and application usability is your rubrics. But you need to
Yes.
present all the things from the scratch again, from the starting. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Introduction,
Okay.
literature review, objectives. There were no objectives
No.
present here. So, how should I consider your system design and architecture or your testing and validation is reaching your objective? What is your objective? What
Like
was
we
your
have to build
project
the.
objective?
Yeah. So we have to build the CNN
There were
model
three
with that
objectives, right?
front end.
I remember.
Yeah, ma'am.
I
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
that
ma'am.
were three objectives were there, and those
Okay.
objectives should be present, but you're not stressing it out now.
Okay.
Okay. In
Like
this review, you
okay.
are only stressing out what system design, testing, and application, but not that there should not be objectives over there. Is it clear?
Okay, like okay, we are not mentioning the objectives. We have to mention. That's it. Okay, ma'am. We'll
You
next
need
time we will
to
do it.
mention. You need to mention. See, in your examination as well, in like seventh semester examination, there will be a project examination for you people. There also, from the scratch, you need to explain. That is introduction, problem statement, objectives, literature review, objectives ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, problem statement you need to have. Then
Yeah, ma'am.
methodology, that is system design and architecture, you need to explain. Hardware, software requirements, you need to explain, following by implementation, testing, then application usability. Finally, you need to have a conclusion in your slide. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So these content
Okay, ma'am.
should be normal, but you need to stress out only system design, testing, and application in your review too. Hope you got my point,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope everyone got my
Yeah, ma'am.
point.
Yes, ma'am.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ರುಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನ, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, ma'am.
ಯಾ,
Okay, okay.
ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. See, these are the basics you need to always understand this, and you are already about to uh, output, alva. You're already,
Yeah, ma'am.
you have to, you'll be facing your interviews, and these are the basic things while presenting. Without objective, you're presenting a project is no use. Okay, and one more, the title is of no clarity. Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all presentation was good. Overall presentation. Yeah, now go to the next slide.
Um,
Yeah, problem statement, what you had given in the
ma'am,
synopsis, whether this problem statement and that are same.
like, okay, ma'am.
No,
What's
ma'am.
the problem is last slide, last time what we did. That's only is there like three slides. After that only we have added the new things, ma'am. That's the problem, ma'am.
Every
Like,
time, whatever you did in your first one should be there, but changes should be
okay,
there. Okay. Yeah.
okay,
Go ahead.
okay.
Go ahead. Go to the next slide. Yeah, system design and architecture. Yeah, okay. Then next. You have directly moved to the testing and validation. Where is the system design of convolution neural network?
They're here. Like
It's here. It
for the
should be
for that
present
thing
in
we
the
are using this.
previous slides. It would have been in the previous slides.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, much.
So flow diagram, you have mentioned a flow diagram, right? There you would
Yeah, ma'am.
have placed it. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
whenever you're explaining this implementation part, architecture, this should be elaborated. This diagram should be elaborated. You need to explain what is feature map, what is feature extraction, classification, how exactly you're doing.
Pulling.
You said you're taking a X-ray image, right? So X-ray
Yeah,
image, in X-ray image, so what is the convolution part you're doing, which filter you're using? Okay, Relu technique you're using, and pooling use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, and how exactly it is linking. You need to talk about it. Okay, which
okay,
you've not
okay.
done. Then, yeah,
Okay.
go ahead. Then,
The
see,
accuracy, like,
evaluation metrics, go back. And the accuracy that you're reaching out of this is very low.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And this
yes, ma'am.
project is older one. According to me, this project is older one. X-ray detection using CNN. Okay.
Yeah,
Pneumonia
yeah,
detection. The accuracy would have been better when it comes to, like, I had told you this before as well, right? So
yeah,
when we
ma'am. Yeah,
had a meeting in the before, I said try to improve the accuracy. But
ma'am.
yeah, one part. And coming to the mm, where have you shown this accuracy and precision in your demonstration?
No,
You
ma'am. We
haven't
have
mentioned
calculated
where it is coming.
like. Okay, ma'am. I will. Can I share the like?
It's showing
Yeah,
20%.
In the backend there is a backend, ma'am. Like there only it will show, ma'am. Like I will share the screen. Share the screen.
whenever you get trained, these accuracy
This
precision
will.
value will come. Just
Okay.
have a look. Yeah, show it.
Okay.
Take a time and show it.
Okay. Here you can see, ma'am.
You zoom it.
Training, training
Yeah, I
accuracy.
can zoom. Wait. Yeah,
F1 score model trained, and you can see here, and the F1 score
scroll
here.
it. Where this accuracy is showing, just make me too visible there. Where exactly it is showing? Where is the F1 score, precision, accuracy?
Yeah, ma'am.
Where
Here
it is
only
showing?
training accuracy and
Validation.
validation accuracy.
Both are in the different direction, no, Kotresh.
Like I'm not getting your like question, ma'am. Like
What see, left side you have a one graph, right? What is that graph is telling?
testing
Training
accuracy.
and validation accuracy.
Yes, ma'am.
Testing accuracy and loss.
Yes, ma'am.
So whether it is coming in the correct one.
No, ma'am. It explains the training accuracy and validation accuracy, ma'am. Like training accuracy is very high. Based on that thing only, we are calculating the like model accuracy. If it is training accuracy is good, means it will at the end of the model it will show like sorry. Um, if training accuracy is good, means it will show the good answer, ma'am. That's what on the basis of we are only predicting
Okay.
the.
Scroll little bit downwards. Oh, wait a second. Okay, 16 out of 16 epoxes you have taken. Pneumonia, zero precision is 0.74, normal. Recall is 1. F1 score is 0.8285. You would have placed these values there. I think the values are mismatching.
Yeah, ma'am. Overall, we are taking around in between 70 to 80, ma'am. Like getting what I'm saying, ma'am. Like
Okay, I'm trying to understand this.
okay.
Okay, yeah, fine, fine. Yeah, what is this about? Pneumonia and normal. Yeah, I have one more question. Yeah, so whenever it is trained with any other images other than the X-ray, will it take it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Like we are trained
Whether it
only
will
X-rays
reject
model.
it?
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, it will reject.
Yeah, you can go for that interface. Go for an interface. Give the upload an image which is other than X-ray, some random your photo or anything. Whether it will tell pneumonia predictions. Let's see.
Let's say, for example, okay. Sorry for that. If I upload this image, after that, if I give like uh, like cough, get diagnosis. That's why it's taking too much of time. Like uh, pneumonia probability is zero. Liquid pneumonia is 0, ma'am.
Okay, that means it is unable to recognize it is X-ray image or not, and probably it is giving a right output, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Like
See,
even
it is
though I
unable
am
to
uploading the
recognize.
other images, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I audible, ma'am. Like
Yeah, it is
even
unable
though I
to
am
recognize
uploading the
whether it
any
is
other
X-ray or
images, it will
not.
give.
It is not giving
Yes,
right
ma'am. Yes,
output
ma'am.
actually. It should display it is not a X-ray diagram, X-ray image, but still it is giving probability as
No.
0, such that the features are
Yeah,
not
ma'am.
found in it, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And which are the features you're considering here? What are the features? Where is the data set?
Data
The
set. I
images are
will
data set, right?
I
Yes,
will share
ma'am.
that.
Which are the
Yeah, ma'am. I
features
will
it
share.
is considering? Do you know it?
Yeah, ma'am. Like feature extraction is also some features means like X-rays are like black and white images, ma'am.
Hmm. See, feature extraction in convolutional neural network or deep learning model, it is automatic. You need to tell this answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Oh, yeah, it's just black box. We can't say
It's a
that
basic.
how actually it
It's a
works.
basic one.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
basic
yeah.
one. Which
I'm
are the feature it is considering? It is completely unknown to
we
you.
can't. Not yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Right. You have to
Yeah,
answer
ma'am.
it. I'm asking a very basic question. So,
For
feature extraction is automatic and it is completely unknown to you. You need to
yeah,
tell those things, and but of course features which you're considering is normal basic features. You need to able to remember it. Whether your model is considering it or not, it is completely unknown.
yeah, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು
Yes,
ನೀಡ್
ma'am.
ಟು prepare it well. I'm not asking only to the Kotresh, I'm asking to the whole three members, but only Kotresh is answering. So whether Kotresh will only get the marks or you two will also have a different marks. Darshan and Chetan, whether you people require a marks or not, only Kotresh is answering.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sorry.
Whether you guys required your marks or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Require, ma'am.
See, whatever the question I'm asking is for all three.
Yes, ma'am. Some features like edges and lines, ma'am, and detect patchy and irregular brightness in the X-rays, ma'am.
What is it for?
These features are
Hmm.
considered, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Any other thing you need to explain, Darshan?
Hello,
Hmm.
hello.
Ma'am, and
Yeah, you're audible, Darshan.
It detects only
You're audible,
the data.
Darshan. Whatever you know, you can tell me. Because this read AI will actually take in, things from each people who are speaking here. Okay, only mine and Kotresh voice will be recording, like content will be covered from our side. Darshan and Chetan have no role in this meeting then.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
pneumonia
and
ಮತ್ತು
it takes
normal.
the rips and ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ದರ್ಶನ್.
Hello. In the
You're
image, there
audible,
is a
Darshan.
in the image both normal versus pneumonia images taken, ma'am.
Hmm.
It
Then,
black spots in the images, ma'am. It detects the pneumonia is there or not, ma'am.
okay, what do you mean by this likelihood of pneumonia is low? What does it mean?
Pneumonia, no
It depends
pneumonia
on
case.
depends on the features, ma'am, like patches and condition of lungs and ribs boundaries, ma'am, and shape of the lungs, and percentage of patchy parts and irregular brightness in the images, ma'am.
Hmm. Darshan,
Ma'am.
I guess you have explained some libraries, right? Library
Yes,
part, which are the libraries you have used. Programming language you used is Python. You explained that part of the slide, right?
yes, ma'am. TensorFlow keras
Why
ಇದೆ, ma'am.
exactly? TensorFlow and Keras. Why exactly Keras is used?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Hello.
Why exactly Keras is used?
TensorFlow and keras is used to build and train the CNN model, ma'am.
Train.
Yes, ma'am. Train and build a CNN model.
Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of training it will give?
The training, ma'am. Data set training.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this is about the meeting, and yeah, you can improve yourself a lot actually. So every time I'm telling you what to change in the slides, but they're not happening. Okay. So make sure that it will be changed next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
The review 3, the complete things should be there. It is not a synopsis, it is a project presentation. Is it clear?
okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. ದರ್ಶನ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಅಪ್ಪ ನಿಜ
ಇದು
ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೊಡು.
ರೀ ಡಾಟ್ ಏನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸುಮಾರು.
ಆಫ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.